it really is helpful to allow shops to compete on a global scale. Welcome back, my friends. Some of you may remember the background behind Tim and I with a great video with Gosiger's famous Ari Thompson. We talked about the load and go, as you can see, AWR, and the integration of how simple it is for job shops with high mix, low volume to integrate a machine like this with quick changeover times of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20-piece part jobs. I mean, we had a great interview. However, Tim's here because we're going to talk the Okuma side of things and what he likes about this setup as well, because the load and go is that easy for all of you. Tim, I'm going to leave it up to you, my friend. We see the gorgeous Okuma machine. What do you like about this setup?
Well, I know you were talking to the robot guy earlier, the technical guy, but from a salesperson's perspective and a marketing guy, I'd really like to talk about the combination of these two.
Let's do it.
You know, a lot of customers are apprehensive about getting into automation, and this system really makes it easy for them. It's easy to program. It's got an HMI interface, which really guides them into the whole setup process. It's got a couple different options for stacking the parts, either in a drawer system or a rotary. And then you combine it with one of our most affordable horizontal lathes, and it's an easy dip your toe in the water, try it out, see if you like it. A lot of customers that make this investment right away turn around and say, I need to do something more. You know, I want to put it on a more complex machine. I want a bigger robot. I want to tend two machines. So for me, this is just a great combination to get started in automation.
Tim, you've nailed it. To your point, traveling around, going into these shops, and knowing the human psyche a little bit. I'm not a psychologist by any means, but you're so right. It's that first one, that toe dip into the water, and then we go, why haven't I been doing this for years? Because we instantly see the profitability, we instantly see the efficiency, and we see how easy it is. And it's always that fear of leaving the comfort zone that stops us. But something like this, as you've just said, let's just tiptoe into those waters, and with the support of a Gosiger, with the support of an Okuma, with your teammates, it really is helpful to allow shops to compete on a global scale. Great entry level for that kind of thing.
That's right. And then they pretty much prove it to themselves, right? Because they've been making this part, but that fear of the automation, is it really going to pay off? And then once they see it, now they're sold. Now you can really guide them further down the path.
So this video really is for you guys out there who need just that push, that slight push into the confidence level of give Tim a call, give Annette a call, give the whole Okuma team a call, give Gosiger a call. They're going to walk you through it. They're going to help you at their facility bring the confidence that you need, because we're reshoring. We're bringing business back to manufacturing. In order to compete on a global level, these are the types of systems that can help you run multiple machines with the labor shortage and allow us all to succeed. So Tim, thank you, my friend, for having the sales and marketing side of this to go along with Ari's technical side as well. If you did not see that video, go back to that as well. It's on the MTDCNC channel, and most likely on the Okuma channel as well, because I gave Tim an extra $100 to put it on there. Tim, thank you so much for your time, my friend. You are amazing. Thank you all for watching. We appreciate you as well.